I will guarantee you that after watching this video, you will become very good in SEO for your Etsy store. If this is your goal, then watch this video until the end and don't skip any of the steps, because then you'll not understand the full method. And trust me, you will thank me later, because I'm gonna reveal those secrets that other charges thousands of dollars. And practically I'm doing this and getting good views on my brand new store. So the reason I'm making this video, that in my last video where I have showed my 3 weeks result on my brand new Etsy store, and I got good engagement with that video, and some of you commented on the video and some of you asked questions in my Instagram DMs that how this whole process works. So I thought, why not make a video step by step that how I am doing it on my Etsy store. So after watching 100 and 1000 hours of videos how to do best SEO on the listings to get more views, I finally landed on my trio method, where in the first 2 steps I'm going to show you how I find the keywords, and the third step, the most important one, where I'll show you how I summarize those keywords and make good title, description and tag. It is time consuming, but it's worth doing it. And before starting the video, I would really appreciate it if you like this video, because YouTube will show my videos to more viewers. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Done? Thank you very much, and let's get on with the video. So first and most important thing, for those who don't know what SEO is, it is called search engine optimization. Just like to find the best product, you do product hunting, and I call it keyword hunting to find the best keywords. So in simple words, it is the use of the most searched keyword in your listing's title, description and tags, which helps Etsy to show your products to the right customers. For example, if your listing is about custom text t-shirt and you're not using the keywords like custom or personalized, then how will Etsy gonna know that which customers your product is suitable for? So it is simple but very important. In this video, I will create a listing with you step by step, showing how exactly I do SEO on my listings. So without further ado, let's jump into the first step of my trial method. So first of all, open a Word document and Etsy Marketplace. What you need to do here is search a keyword related to your listing. For example, in this video, we are going to create a listing for custom text t-shirt. After typing the keyword in the search bar, don't press enter, because as you can see, the drop-down list contains the keywords, and these are the keywords which customers come on Etsy Marketplace and search to find the products they want to buy. With no doubt, these keywords are very important ones. So let's copy the keywords which are related to your listing, means which contains the keywords like custom, t-shirt or shirt, and paste them into the Word document. So just to give you an example, here are the keywords I've chosen and pasted on my Word document. Another tip here is, if you write just custom t-shirt, you'll see a drop down list, and this drop down list will be different from when you press space bar after this keyword, just like this. Now with just one keyword, you have 2 drop down lists with different kind of keywords. And this doesn't stop here, you have to search and play with different kind of keywords. For example, we have searched custom t-shirt, now it's time to search custom print t-shirt or personalized t-shirts. So it's up to you. The more you search in this, the more better keywords you're gonna get. And here are the keywords in my Word document which are being regularly used by the customers. By the way, if you're posting a listing about custom text t-shirt, these keywords are free for you. You can use them as well. And see, these are the things that other YouTubers will not show you, because they charge money for these things, and this is not my goal to start this YouTube channel. Now the first method is complete, where we have searched the keywords that customers comes on Etsy and search. It's time for the second method, where we will find the keywords that most of the best sellers on Etsy are using. For this, let's jump to the Etsy search bar and search custom text t-shirt and press enter. Now as you can see, you will have dozens of different listings, but you have to open the ones with more amount of sales and related to your listing. Try to open as many as you can see. For example, in the first page, in the second page, it's gonna be more like 15 or 20 listings. I'm asking you to open more listings because at the end it will give you the best idea on choosing the right keywords which are commonly used by all bestsellers, so you can use them in your listing and get more views like them. And try to avoid the ones with the ads, because first of all, if you click on the ads listing, it will cost the seller money, which we don't want to do, and secondly, they are paying money for them to show on the first page. It will be no use for us. So in this video, I'll just open 5 for you, because if I'm gonna do whole process, this video is gonna get more longer, but don't worry, you'll get an idea what you have to do. So here I have opened 5 of the listings, and after opening these, what you need to do here is to check the keywords in the title, in the description and in the tag. And it is very simple, just copy all of the keywords into the Word document. So in this listing, as you can see, this seller have used the keywords like custom, shirt, custom text, and t-shirt, personalized t-shirts and shirts. And let's come to the description. Here you can see by summarizing the keywords, this seller made a description with the keywords in them, just like print, unisex t-shirt, and black and white. Thirdly, you have to come all the way down where the tags are. Here you can see all of the tags. Just copy them and paste them into the word. We'll sort it out in the third step. And just try to paste them in a way that you'll know that which keywords are from which listing. So you need to repeat this step for all of the listings you have opened in different tabs, and done. The 2 steps are complete, and you must be thinking that this is a lot of work to do for just one listing, and how you're gonna do it, especially if you're posting more listings like 40, 50 or 60. So trust me, after applying this method on 3 or 4 listings, you'll already have a bunch of keywords with you, and then there is no need to repeat the first 2 steps. You just have to implement the third one to summarize them until you are doing it for the whole different product. For example, now you're searching t-shirt, and next you're gonna do it for some digital prints. So you have to repeat this whole trio method again for that product. So after implementing the third step, I'm gonna show you the results of views that I'm getting after applying this trio method on my brand new store. Now you have all the keywords here as you can see in my Word document. Let's jump over to the third step where we will summarize the keywords and make our title, description, and tag. So the first thing I do is to check the similar keywords from all of these keywords. You can do it manually by just watching them, or you can use the keyword finding tool in the Word by pressing Ctrl F. For example, as you can see here in the Word document, there are keywords that are very common. For example, custom t-shirt with no space, t-shirt with the dash in between, t-shirt with the space in between, and then there is a keyword shirt, personalized with the Z in the end and S in the end, because in Etsy there are audience from UK and USA as well. So you have to use both versions of English. And the thing is, in Etsy you have to use more keywords rather than just typing one keyword over and over again. I'm going to show you an example here. So after checking this for all of the keywords, here is the final list of keywords that I have completed. Now from this I will make my own title, description, and tags. And remember to start the title with the keywords that reflects what your listing is about. Like here is the title I've made, custom text t-shirt printing. So in this I have used 4 keywords here, and in the next, design your own tee, custom gift t-shirt. So this way you have to complete this and cover the whole 140 words in the title. So after completing the title, the keywords which we cannot use here, we are going to use it in description and tags. For example, here is a description I have created. You can see I have used many keywords in this sentence. The point here on Etsy is to use the maximum amount of keywords in your listing so that there will be a better chance for your listings to show up when a customer searches something on Etsy. So let's come to the tags now. Use the remaining keywords in the tag, and done. For example, you have just created one listing and have done all of this hard work that I have just told you, and now you're sitting back and thinking that you're gonna get more views. So it's not gonna happen, because in Etsy, without paying a single penny, there are different things. Good SEO and posting more listings means you have to post at least 40 to 50 listings in order for your store to get more views constantly. Because Etsy also encourages us to post more listings, means more listings, more views, and ultimately more sales. And don't worry, I am also gonna upload a video in which I'll tell you how to post more listings with just one single product. For example, with just the niche of custom t-shirts, I'm gonna show you how you can post 50 listings with it. So stay tuned for that video as well. After completing the trio method, this is what our listing will look like. The title, here's the description, and here are the tags. As promised, now it's time to show you the views I'm getting on my Etsy store. So let's head toward the stats of my Etsy store. So here, as you can see, there is just one visit, and then I got 9 visits, and in this time period I have stopped posting more listings, so there are not much views. Now when I have posted more listings, the views got to 19 visits, then 3, and then 18. As you can see, I'm getting the better amount of views here. So in the end, if I can do this and get more views, so can you. And I think now you have the idea on how to do it. And still after this, if you are finding it difficult, just comment below or just reach out to me on my Instagram. I'll try my best to resolve your issue and help you guys. So what are you waiting for? Let's try this trial method in your listings and tell me if you're getting any views or not. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.